the cabaret. So, just went to print the script and other things that I have to study for the show. There's a lot of stuff, so now I'm going home. Bye! So I've just finished filming 2 self-tapes that needed to be done before Tuesday for some audition, and Tuesday, by the way, is the day that I've got my train to Germany. And I'm here trying to understand how I'm going to fix all the stuff that I need in just one luggage. This is the situation by now. So that's my luggage and the stuff that I've got on the table till now. So that means that it's not everything. This is not everything. There's still a lot of stuff missing, and I have no idea how am I actually going to do this. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see. This is the luggage. It's big, but it's not so big. Oh my god, it's still closed. I don't know. So here my shoes are still missing. They're just dance shoes, but oh my god. I will have just this luggage, my computer bag, and one dance bag with inside all the things that will not make it into the luggage. So, oh my gosh! Yes, by the way, everything is pink. Yeah, I know. I'm really sorry guys for my face, but I'm tired. But I just wanted to show you that this is my way to the grocery store today. So it's the second day here in the apartment, and I'm here trying to choose 2 songs because Sunday I have to go to Berlin for an audition. I have to take a train, and like at 9:30 I need to have a COVID test, because to go to the audition you need to have a COVID test not later than 24 hours, I think. So I'm going to have a COVID test like 1 hour before the audition. Yes. It's pretty amazing. Nice. I have a stick inside your nose, but that's the way it is now. So I'm here trying to choose 2 songs. I actually don't know what to sing. And I'm eating my protein pudding. It's really good. It's caramel flavor, amazing. And because I cannot sing, I'm here with my belt box trying to sing some songs to understand which one is the best. And so this is the situation. Yeah. By the way, the house is really cool. I'm happy.